What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Imagine improving your core strength, enhancing your posture, and even boosting your metabolism all in just 1 minute a day. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that one simple exercise could change your body in ways you never expected? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular bodyweight exercises out there, the plank. We're going to explore exactly what happens to your body when you plank every day for just 1 minute. Stick around, because the results might surprise you. Before we jump into the benefits, let's take a second to think. What would happen if you committed to doing just 1 minute of planking every single day for a month? That's right, 1 minute. Many of us have a busy schedule, so adding 1 minute of exercise sounds like a small change. But believe me, the effects are huge. So, let's get into it. 1. Improved core strength. The first and most obvious benefit of planking every day is the improvement in your core strength. The plank is essentially a full-body exercise that primarily targets your abdominal muscles, back, and shoulders. But did you know that it goes beyond just your abs? When you hold the plank position, you activate several key muscle groups, including your obliques, your glutes, and even your legs. Over time, your core will get stronger and more stable, and this translates to better balance and support for your spine. A strong core is essential for daily activities, whether it's lifting groceries, playing sports, or even just sitting at your desk for hours. Imagine lifting heavy weights or playing your favorite sport with less fatigue and more power. That's the magic of a strong core. 2. Better posture and spinal alignment. Now we all know the importance of good posture, but most of us don't realize how much time we spend hunched over our phones, computers, or even just sitting for long periods. This can lead to a condition known as tech neck or poor spinal alignment, which causes aches and pains, especially in the neck, shoulders, and back. One of the incredible benefits of planking every day is that it strengthens the muscles that support your spine. As your core becomes stronger, your posture improves. When you plank, your back is naturally aligned, and holding this position strengthens the muscles that are responsible for maintaining that posture. By practicing planks regularly, you may notice that your shoulders become more aligned with your hips, and your back feels straighter. In the long run, this can help reduce discomfort caused by slouching, and you'll look and feel taller. Have you ever experienced that uncomfortable feeling of slumping over after a long day? Imagine feeling more energetic and standing tall every day instead of battling poor posture. That's what planking can do for you. 3. Increased flexibility. You might think that the plank is just a static, isometric exercise with no flexibility benefits, but think again. Holding the plank position for just a minute each day can actually increase flexibility in both your hamstrings and the muscles of your lower back. When you plank, you're stretching and lengthening your muscles. Over time, this helps reduce tightness, particularly in the hip flexors and the lower back. Many people suffer from tight hip flexors due to prolonged sitting, and planking can help alleviate this discomfort. So, if you've been struggling with stiffness or poor flexibility, planking might just be the answer. If you've been looking for a simple way to improve your flexibility without doing complicated stretches, you might just find your answer in this 1 minute exercise. 4. Enhanced mental focus and stability. Planking is not just a physical challenge, it's a mental one too. Holding the plank position requires focus and determination. You need to control your breath, engage your muscles, and resist the urge to collapse to the ground. This mental focus builds discipline, and over time, it can translate to better concentration in your daily life. When you plank, you push yourself to stay in the position, even when your body is telling you to stop. This creates mental toughness, which can be incredibly beneficial in every aspect of your life. Whether you're studying for exams, working on a project, or just trying to get through your daily tasks, planking builds the mental strength you need to push through challenges. 5. Fat burning and metabolism boost. Who doesn't want to burn some extra fat while strengthening their body? The plank can help with that too. While planking itself isn't a high-intensity calorie-burning exercise like running or jumping jacks, it still engages multiple muscle groups, and this leads to an increase in your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories at rest, even when you're not actively exercising. Additionally, the plank activates your transverse abdominis, a deep core muscle that helps support your internal organs. Strengthening this muscle helps improve digestion and metabolism, which can further assist in weight management. By planking daily for just 1 minute, you're giving your metabolism a much-needed boost, and over time, this can lead to better fat burning, improved digestion, and overall health benefits. Did you know that planking for 1 minute could be the secret to boosting your metabolism and burning calories even when you're resting? It's like a mini workout every day. 6. Reduced risk of injury. If you're someone who enjoys sports or lifting weights, planking can be a game changer when it comes to injury prevention. A strong core supports your entire body and helps protect you from common injuries, especially in the lower back, hips, and knees. The plank strengthens stabilizing muscles around your spine and pelvis, which improves balance and coordination. With a solid foundation in your core, your body is better able to handle physical stress and reduce the risk of strain or injury during other physical activities. For example, if you're a runner, strong core muscles can help you maintain better posture during your runs, reducing the likelihood of injuries related to poor form. Similarly, if you're lifting weights, a strong core will help stabilize your body during heavy lifts, reducing your risk of overexertion or muscle strain. 7. Stronger shoulders and arms. The plank is not just about your core, it also targets your shoulders, arms, and wrists. When you hold the plank position, your shoulders, arms, and forearms bear the weight of your body. Over time, this helps build upper body strength, giving you stronger, more toned shoulders and arms. If you're looking for a way to sculpt your upper body without the need for dumbbells or machines, planking is a fantastic option. And don't worry, if you find it difficult at first, holding the position will get easier as your upper body strength increases. Conclusion. So, what happens when you plank every day for 1 minute? The answer is a lot. You'll experience improved core strength, better posture, enhanced flexibility, and even boosted mental focus. Plus, you'll increase your metabolism, reduce the risk of injury, and strengthen your arms and shoulders. 1 minute a day, just 1 minute, is all it takes to start reaping these incredible benefits. So, the next time you find yourself with a minute to spare, why not plank? You might just be surprised at how much it can do for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, how long can you hold the plank? We'd love to hear your progress. Remember, just 1 minute of planking a day can start changing your body in ways you never imagined. Get started now and thank yourself later. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.